Dear Sherry, I would like to make some infused peanut butter. Do you have any advice for infusing cannabis into peanut butter? Well, yes, I do. And in fact, it will work not only for peanut butter, but for any kind of nut butter, such as almond butter, hazelnut butter, or whatever. So I do indeed have advice. Before I get to that, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, it's pretty easy to infuse nut butters, especially peanut butter, and there's several different ways to do this. And it's a great ingredient to have on hand. I mean, you could just put some on a sandwich and make an infused peanut butter and jelly sandwich if you wanted, but you can also use it to enhance other recipes or make recipes that are used with peanut butter, such as a peanut sauce, a Thai peanut sauce, or any number of baked goods. Another good use for infused peanut butter would be to add additional dosage to a recipe, such as my famous peanut butter cookies that uses an infused butter, but then you could also infuse the peanut butter if for some reason you wanted an extra strong dose. And there'll be a link below to that recipe, which is, out of all the hundreds of recipes on my website, the most popular recipe we have. So people really, really love those peanut butter cookies. Okay, so how do you infuse your peanut butter? There's several different options or several different ways that you can do this. One, you could just simply stir in a decarbed concentrate such as hash oil, hash, keef, FICO, etc. Same goes with isolates or distillates. You could just stir those into your peanut butter until everything is well combined and evenly combined, and then use those in your recipes. Another option, of course, would be to use a tincture. And for this, I would recommend an oil-based tincture, and you could just put in however many drops you need. Again, make sure everything is well blended and emulsified so that you get even doses throughout your recipe, but that would be another way. The third way, and I really love this one, is to use an all-natural peanut butter, say, such as Laura Scudder's. We have that brand out in California, but wherever you live, or you might get it at a natural foods market. And what I'm talking about here is the type of peanut butter that has a big layer of oil at the top, and then you need to stir that together before you use your peanut butter. So what you do with that is you just pour that oil off, infuse that oil, and then whip it all back together so that when you're incorporating the oil back into your peanut butter, you're incorporating an infused oil back into your peanut butter. And if you don't know how to infuse oil, there'll be a link to that in the comments below too. So bottom line, cannabis infused peanut butter or any kind of nut butters are really handy ingredients to have. They have lots of different uses, so they're very versatile. I would store them in the fridge for long-term storage, but if you're going to use them within a week or two, they're probably okay at room temperature. But great question. Thanks for asking it. See you next time. Eat your weed.